So the drones that I just bought is DJI Air 2S. It's a very heavy package itself, and I think this is a fly combo, and it will comes with extra batteries, and also the extra blades itself and the back. I'll say this cost me around close to $1,002 US. So just gonna do an unboxing. First, cut it up. Nice. When you buy something new, the smell is always so amazing, you know. Yeah. And inside the box, it came with a manual, a guide, a quick start guide, and also an accessory box. So let me just open up this bag first, and let's see what is it inside. So this is the Air 2S drone. So there's a protector of the gimbal, and then there's four legs itself, and then it actually come with this is actually a bit more advanced type of drones, because it come with front sensor, and then you also come with a sensor at the bottom, and sensor is actually for to prevent you to collide with any object itself. So, and then I would say this is where I need to remove this to install the blades itself, and then there's this battery pack itself, which I need to figure out how do I open. I think it's like this. Yep. So this is the battery pack. It's super heavy. So this drone weighs around close to 600 gram, or 600 to 700 gram. So it's considered quite heavy. So there's the battery, and then we have what is this? It's a battery charger. Okay, it's a battery charger, so you can put the battery here. So this is where you connect this with this itself. Yeah, that's very cool. This is the controller itself. Yeah, that's the controller. I think you can pull out this, or you put the phone over here itself, and then you have the stick is actually at the bottom. Then you can just plug out the stick, and it's meant to be here. Then you can screw it in itself. I think it's a very smart design that you can keep this. The controller feels quite heavy, and you need to charge this controller in order to use it. So, and then there's blades. Come with 12 pairs of blades. And then they say that there is also a manual. Okay. The blades, you just have to be very clear. There's two types of blades. One is the A blades, one is the B blades. So they will specify clearly to you, A blades is to be going on this one and this one, and B blades will be this one and this one. So you need to connect the right blades to the right legs itself. And I think on top of that, I found in the package that they also have this lenses. I think it's super cool. Yes, controller light exposure, and it's something I need to learn. I have no idea how to use this at this point in time. And then just now I managed to charge my battery. So this is how the charger, the big charger itself, and this is how the battery go on top. You can charge 3 at one go, and the battery is very heavy. So now I'm going to install the blades. Yeah, something I discovered to actually recognize whether it's this blade for this is that look at here, this is all black, and then when you look at this, that's orange. It goes to the orange, so it's actually quite easy to recognize. So this is go to black, this go to orange. Quick tips. So just want to run through this. They also give you an extra controller stick in case you lose it, and they also give you this wire in case you are using Android phones, or as a USB-C. There's a connecting to from the remote control to the phone. So they also give you a spare wire itself. Voila, this is what we have. So next we're gonna try to fly it. See you.